If you're looking to buy a cocktail set as a present for someone or for yourself, I don't think you can look any further than this, because this is no ordinary cocktail set. This is the vintage copper cocktail set. 6-piece, you could call it a beginner set, but it will set you on your journey a treat. So this will all come wrapped up, as I've taken out the wrappers just so I can show you easily. So what we get is the kind of vintage style bar spoon. We've got a muddler, we've got a vintage finished Hawthorne strainer. Hopefully you can kind of see that effect. You'll see it in a second properly on the cocktail shaker, but look at that. So we get the glass and we get the jigger as well. It comes in a tube like that. Let's just put the tube to one side, but hopefully you can sort of see the detailing on there. So this is the copper, the vintage copper cocktail set effect. You know, Boston shaker, glass, jobs are good in, that just links in there. They're better than your kind of 3-piece shakers. We love them. Muddler for your mojitos or your berries or whatever you're kind of making there. The jigger, 25mm, 50mm, perfect. 50mm double bubble, perfect for what you need. But the spoon, I just think that kind of all sets it off a treat. Hopefully you can kind of see that on the old close-up, but I think that is perfect. You know, gone are the days. Stainless steel's all right. Let's be honest, stainless steel's all right. But if you get yourself some like vintage sort of retro looking stuff, that looks a lot cooler, doesn't it, if you're making cocktails up for yourself at home.